For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a meal prep business offers a unique opportunity to combine culinary passion with entrepreneurship. With growing interest in healthy eating and convenience, meal prep services are in high demand. Thanks to free AI tools, it's now easier than ever to launch and manage such a business with minimal upfront investment. This guide walks you through each step, showing how to leverage AI to develop your idea, plan your operations, market your service, and grow your business. Step 1. Define your niche and business model. Begin by narrowing your target audience and deciding what type of meal prep service you want to offer. Your niche could be based on dietary preferences such as vegan, keto, diabetic-friendly, or high-protein meals. You'll also need to choose whether you'll operate as a subscription model, on-demand service, or bulk meal provider. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm your niche by prompting, "ChatGPT, help me come up with profitable meal prep niches based on current food trends and dietary needs." Once you've chosen your niche, refine your business model using a prompt like, "Create a business model canvas for a meal prep company specializing in gluten-free meals for busy professionals." Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A solid business plan is essential for structure and potential funding. It outlines your mission, customer segments, pricing strategy, startup costs, and projections. You can create this quickly using ChatGPT or Notion AI. Try prompting. Write a detailed business plan for a home-based meal prep business targeting fitness enthusiasts in Miami, Florida. You can also use Google Docs in combination with ChatGPT to generate content. Then organize it visually with Google Sheets for your budgeting and forecasting. Step 3. Develop menus and recipes. Your menu is at the heart of your business. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate recipe ideas based on your niche. If you're targeting vegans, for example, ask, "List 7-day meal prep menus for plant-based diets with ingredients, cooking steps, and estimated calories per meal." For nutritional data, use tools like MyFitnessPal's Recipe Importer or Verywell Fit's Recipe Nutrition Calculator. This helps you stay compliant with dietary claims and attract health-conscious customers. Step 4. Conduct market research with free AI tools. Market research helps you understand customer preferences, pricing benchmarks, and competitors. Use ChatGPT with prompts like, "Analyze the competitive landscape for meal prep services in Atlanta, Georgia." Include pricing models, customer preferences, and market gaps. You can also use Google Trends to check for keyword search popularity and Perplexity AI to gather summarized research across the web. For example, search "Trends in Healthy Meal Delivery 2025" to get timely insights. Step 5. Design branding and packaging. Your branding should communicate quality, health, and trust. Use free AI design tools like Canva's AI Image Generator and Logo Maker. You can generate logos, social media graphics, and packaging templates. To create a logo with AI, use a prompt in Canva. Generate a minimalist logo for FitBite Meals, a clean-eating meal prep service. For packaging, ask ChatGPT. Suggest eco-friendly, cost-effective meal packaging options for a local meal prep business. You can even generate a brand style guide using. Create a brand identity for a health-focused meal prep service, including tone, colors, fonts, and visual style. Step 6. Handle licensing and food safety requirements. Starting a food business legally requires certain licenses. Research your state's cottage food laws and commercial kitchen regulations. Use ChatGPT to assist with queries like, "What licenses are required to run a meal prep business from home in Florida?" You can also automate form filling and find legal templates using free tools like Do Not Pay or Law Depot, and even ask ChatGPT, "Draft a simple food service agreement for my meal prep business." Step 7. Set up operations and delivery logistics. Decide whether you'll cook from home, if permitted, or rent a commercial kitchen. Platforms like the Food Corridor help you find shared kitchen spaces. Plan your cooking schedule, meal storage, and delivery. Use ChatGPT to structure your operations with a prompt like, create a weekly cooking and delivery schedule for a meal prep business delivering to 3 zip codes in New Jersey. To map delivery routes and optimize travel, use Google My Maps and prompt, show optimal delivery routes for 20 addresses within a 10-mile radius of zip code 33101. Step 8. Build an online presence with free AI. You need an online storefront. Use free tools like Wix or Google Sites with AI-based design wizards to build your website. Include a menu, pricing, contact form, and ordering system. Generate website content with prompts like, write homepage copy for a keto meal prep company based in Houston, Texas. Highlight convenience, affordability, and health benefits. You can also ask ChatGPT to create email marketing campaigns. Write a 5-part welcome email sequence for new subscribers to a weekly meal prep service. Step 9. Create a marketing plan using AI. Marketing is critical to gaining and retaining customers. Use ChatGPT to draft a marketing plan with this prompt. Develop a 3-month marketing plan for launching a meal prep business, including social media strategies, email campaigns, referral programs, and offline promotions. Use tools like Buffer or Meta Business Suite to schedule and manage social media posts. For content ideas, prompt ChatGPT. Generate 30 Instagram post ideas for a meal prep business with healthy lifestyle themes. To create marketing videos, try free AI video tools like InVideo or Pictory. Ask, make a 60-second video script promoting a healthy meal delivery service for busy moms. Step 10. Test, get feedback, and iterate. Launch a soft rollout to friends, family, or a pilot customer group. Offer free or discounted meals in exchange for honest feedback. Create Google Forms for reviews and use AI to summarize responses. Ask ChatGPT. Summarize customer feedback from the following survey responses and suggest improvements. This feedback loop helps you refine your menu, packaging, delivery, and customer service before scaling. Conclusion. Starting a meal prep business has never been more accessible. Free AI tools allow you to generate recipes, plan your business, create marketing strategies, and streamline operations with little to no upfront cost. The key is using AI strategically to eliminate guesswork and boost productivity. With creativity, consistency, and customer focus, your meal prep service can become a scalable and rewarding venture. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.